that I machined this stuff, and it's going to be moved. And I had went down to the steel store and I found these, and they look pretty cool at the moment. So really fast, I could use them as weld them in place. Take the vertical mill I got over there, which is an old tree, put them in there, make me some slots for adjusting on some flat bar, and came to the conclusion I just wasn't going to use that because I don't think there's no bearings inside here. It's just a piece of rod going through there and it's welded. So I decided to dispose of those. So what we're going to do is we've got a couple of bearings like this, and these are, I don't know what part number, 6200 2RS C3. Got me 4 of these, and I took the lathe and I machined this stuff down right here to the width I needed and the diameter I wanted. And then what I did was made it to where this piece, this is going to be the top part of the gate, basically it's upside down, and it's going to be moving back and forth just like that. So technically what you're going to see is this is going to be on top of the gate, and it's going to be more or less like that right there. And then this will be welded to a post on one end and maybe a post on the other end. I don't think it's going to be necessary. I'm going to put a post on the inside, and if I have to, I'll extend this out a little bit further to where the post will be sitting right here, and this will be on top. And I also went in with my old vertical mill, cut some slots out here so I could adjust these rollers in this way or out that way, depending on what I needed. But I like the idea of putting the bearings in there because they're a lot smoother. Now, I might find a way to put some kind of cup on the opposite side to keep the rainwater out of them, because I know in time they are sealed, but in time it'll get in there. So that's going to be another project. But I just want to show you what kind of roller guides or top rollers I made for my 25-foot 6-inch gate that we're going to be installing here real soon. And I've already put one video out there pouring a slab, starting to build on the gate, and what we did, how we poured that slab. So next video is going to be this part. Next part of this video is going to be us installing the post in the ground, putting the gate up, putting this in place, and then continuing with the build. Yes, guys, that's what I want to show you. My roller setup, guide roller setup, whatever you want to call it, for the top of a rolling driveway gate. Pretty neat, pretty neat, pretty neat, pretty neat. Before I close, let me show you what I did it with. I know a lot of you out there really like machinery and stuff like that. I use this old tree vertical mill, and then I just put me a piece of flat bar inside here and just went ahead and ran it back and forth until I got my grooves cut in it the way I wanted to. You know, this old machinery I got is pretty old, kind of like me, a little bit on the outdated side, but it still does the work I need to do, along with that old Victor 1640 lathe. So if we shared any information that you really like, we ask that you hit the thumbs up, like, subscribe. Now you probably can't see that, it's kind of dark, but that's my old homemade CNC wood router. But again, if you liked the video, we share the information that's valuable to you, thumbs up, like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.